look at the eggs.
Who do you think came? I wonder who did all this.
The eggs. You
gotta find the eggs and put them in your bucket. Hi. Not those eggs, though. There's hidden eggs, not your basket.
All right.
You ready?
There's Nick. Hi, Nick. What day is it?
Happy Easter.
It's the Easter Bunny Day.
Mommy, these are eggs.
You found an egg?
So, are you going to put all the eggs in your basket?
Nick, can you find an egg?
Nikki? Yeah.
How many can you get, Nikki? Try to get as many as you can. Then you get to open them. Do you want to FaceTime your dad or something?
I tried to.
Oh, he didn't pick up?
So I tried to call my mom to tell her.
The balls in the pan, Mommy. Balls.
Oh, look at, you know what, wait, you know what this
We'll
is?
do that after.
Those are special. You got to find the eggs that are
You have
around
to find
there.
all the eggs for those.
No, not those. Those are different. Those are baskets from the Easter Bunny. Oh, Nikki, look down there by the TV.
Look where the shoes are.
They're there. Oh my gosh, Riley, you're really going to town.
Hello. I just had to FaceTime Dad. I just had to FaceTime Dad. They're doing the right thing.
But that's
Look at here. Look at.
He's more here with the
No, that's just from his basket.
Look at there.
Those don't count. I see more over here. Look at Riley.
Nick, look at up here. See up there?
This is going better than yesterday.
Go. Can you get it?
Damn. You dad.
Oh my gosh. How'd that bunny rabbit get up there? You need help, huh?
Whoops. I think I broke your egg.
Nick, look at over there. Look at there. Well, that's okay. We'll fix it later. Just put it in your basket. Get some more. Is it okay to open this a little bit?
Let's find all the eggs first, right? There's a lot more eggs than you can.
Oh, maybe not.
Mommy, you're that ball.
Yay! And then Nick, look at.
Mommy, that's why you're back here.
Second level.
Look at up there. Nikki.
Mommy, I find you more now. More, Mommy.
I see.
How about if you're on the floor and you go look under?
Yeah. You gotta look on the floor, Riley.
Go look under there.
No, your purse is in here, but you need your bucket.
Oh, what's that to put
Oh, good one. How about below? Nope, those are different. Not those.
Nick, what about over here on the floor? Do you see any over here, Nick?
The ball.
That's for after you find your eggs. Yeah, that's for when you find your eggs. This is your basket. Come here, though. Come here, look at. What's here? Riley found an egg.
Oh, Riley found it.
Yeah, this is a different
This is his basket.
Yeah.
Riley,
I see.
if you lay down on the floor and look around on the carpet.
Look around the floor.
Hey, Nick, look at. Oh, that's Nick's.
Clean up your basket for your bucket. Yeah, nice try.
That's Nick's basket. Okay, I see
Here,
one.
I see two.
Nick,
Yeah.
Nick, look at over here. Look at over there on the stairs.
Do you see?
Nick, what's that? That yellow one there?
There's more.
Yeah.
Do you see more? Yeah, I see
Let's see.
one.
Okay.
It's on the stroller. Do you see in front of the cash register? Is there an egg? Get out of your sister's bag. Let's see, Nick. Are there any more eggs?
Wow. Boy, I think you almost have them all.
My egg.
Wow. Here, can I take a picture, you guys, with your buckets? That's just a ball. Here, let's keep that here.
I think you got them all.
Stand in front of this table and say cheese. Or behind it. Go by Nick, Riley. This is Nick.
And pink would be Riley's.
Say cheese, Riley. Look at me. Cheese. Okay, cheese. Look at me again, Nick. Nikki. Nikki. Yeah, bring him on the floor.
What is that? Is it a truck?
who's trying to call.
Now this is from the bunny rabbit, right?
Easter Bunny left you a
Oh,
basket.
hi, Papa. Hi, Papa.
We can't hear you.
Is your sound
There
on?
you go.
That's
at-
Papa.
The Easter egg hunt's
Look at
already
isn't
over.
that cute?
Baby.
Yeah, that's so cute.
Oh, thanks.
What do you think of Easter? Candy. What else is in your basket? You don't want to open it now.
Oh,
Nick? Oh, look at who's on the phone.
what?
Hi, Nikki. Hi, sweetheart.
Candy, but let's look at the other stuff.
Let's look in here. What have you got? A lot of stuff in there, Nick.
It goes on your wrist, right? It's a bracelet?
What is it? Show me what you got.
Papa,
Easter Bunny left you.
Papa, look. Papa,
See that? That's very cool. Oh, it's a ducky.
look at the ball.
What have you got, Nick?
Papa, look at the ball.
What's that, a bracelet?
The ball.
Whoa.
Come. Look at.
You got a bracelet too. Here.
Nikki, your face looks good, buddy. Yeah, it does. So does your wall. Nick, your face
Mom,
looks
ball. Mommy,
So
look
does your
at ball. A ball.
Oh, a ball. Nick, get your basket. Bring it over here.
No.
Here, Nick.
You got it. Do you?
Okay.
good. All right. Did they find all the eggs for her?
Yeah, they were quick about it. Pam took a
Mommy,
video.
Look at this.
What is this, Riley?
Oh, look at the bunny.
Look at Riley.
Mommy, not
Who's this?
this. Mommy. Mommy, not you this bunny. Mommy, not you this bunny. A bunny.
You'll eat it later. Nick, what else do you have in your basket?
Boy, that's a lot of things in there, Nikki.
You
Oh,
look at me.
Got a lot of eggs.
The mine.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
Nick, what's this?
That.
What is that?
Did Pam videotape it?
I am videotaping it right now.
Whoa. Oh, no.
I'll put it up on YouTube and send you the link in a few minutes.
All right.
Tables.
She's going to put it on YouTube.
Hey, okay.
Mommy.
Take some of this stuff down.
Okay.
This little ass.
See you
Oh, good.
soon.
Mine are the kids. Put it-
Say bye. Bye. See you later.
Bye.
I'll see
Say
you.
bye, Nick.
See you.
Bye.
Say, come home.
Mommy.
All right.
Mommy. Mommy.
Take your medicine.
Oh.
Wow, is that ever
I want
pretty?
the vacuum here, Mom.
Don't you want to wear it?
I will vacuum.
Nick, sit down. Let's look at what you got. I know you're really about this chocolate, but
Yeah. You
look at this. I'm going to go get your sister.
want me to go get her?
Oh, you could
Keep taking the video. What's in there? What is that? Oh, is that a little jelly bean inside the egg?
Oh.
What'd you get, Riley?
Mommy. That's beans.
Oh.
jelly beans.
Oh, some.
Okay, Nick, let's look in here and see what other cool stuff is there. You just want to eat your jelly beans?
What's on the table? What else did the Easter Bunny leave you in there?
Oh, look at the table.
Riley,
What is this pretty
Look at-
package here, Riley?
it looks like the Easter Bunny left you and Nick a present. It's on the table. The purple present? What is it?
Right here.
The purple.
See
Right
it?
there.
What is it? You gotta open
You want
it.
to look at it?
Oh, that's it. Oh, no.
That's for you and Nick. Nick, look at what Riley's opening.
And look at what Ryan's wearing. A little Easter bunny.
What is it? Nick, look at what Riley's opening.
Okay, I'll do, Mommy. Need scissors.
Here.
You don't need scissors.
Yeah.
Just have to pull the tie on him.
them.
Say, Nick,
Here,
what's
Nick,
in?
should we
What
let
about
Nick
all
open
these
this?
things in here? Do you want to look at those?
Oh,
What's in
yeah.
here?
You just want to eat?
A ball, Mommy. I need one.
Did you get a ball too, Nick?
Yeah, I need that ball.
He's
No,
going for the
Nikki,
jelly
that's a
beans.
pea ball. Yeah.
You gotta be great in about
There
an
was-
hour.
that's my dad.
Nick, what's in here? Nikki. Riley, go by your basket here. Oh my God.
Is that a bracelet?
Riley, look at what
Let's
the
see
Easter
who's on
Bunny
it.
gave you guys.
Oh, look at all the cars
Nick,
on it.
Look what the Easter Bunny gave you guys. Show
There
Nick.
you go.
Nick, look. You.
It's the new Alvin and the Chipmunks.
One with the there. Oh.
Do you like opening those little eggs? So, Nick, what's this? Who's on this? Your T-shirt here.
My ball.
Look at Nick. Who's on that?
Coins.
I don't think he really cares much. Oh, look at another jelly bean. There's Ryan.
Whoa.
Ryan, look over
Nick,
here.
look at this egg.
Mommy.
Hey, sweetie.
Mommy.
Huh.
Help me.
Hi, Ryan.
You got coins?
Ryan.
Wait till Daddy sees what the Easter Bunny left. Wow.
What's that?
What's this? You don't.
Dinosaurs.
Oh, look at this. A chick. Look at this. Can you wind this up? Did you get a little chick in yours? Okay, watch this. Watch this. Nikki?
Nick, look at the
Nick.
table.
Up.
Yeah.
What happened? Can you get your
Did you get
chick?
your cup, Riley?
No cup.
In your
Let's
basket? Is that a cup?
Okay. Should we do it again? Do
That's-
you know how to wind it?
Riley got a
Okay.
chick.
Here we go. Whoa.
Mommy, check this.
Oh,
I set the one, Mommy. The one is...
Well, why don't you open it and see what your prizes are?
No, put that.
You want to just keep it in the eggs?
Yeah. I've only won this one.
Ryan. Oh, she's got her little chick blanket on. How cute.
I
Aw.
bought you, Mommy.
That is so
Look at Ryan.
cool.
Football.
Look at this bracelet.
Hi, Ryan.
I had a
Hi, Ryan.
Riley, this is cool. Look at tattoos.
cartoon.
Stickers, body stickers.
More stickers?
Oh, bicycle. Little G-cars. The man cars.
Fire truck. Ooh, a blue car. Nick.
Nick, this is tattoos. Look at tattoos of dinosaurs. What do you think?
That is so cool.
What's that? This. Oh, Papa.
Mm-hmm. Look at in here.
Eat the
What's that?
bunny.
Is that a car?
Mommy, eat the bunny car.
Yeah. Look at all your balls you got too.
Ah,
This is a really cool ball. Look it. It lights up.
Wow.
It is.
Mommy.
Does yours light up?
No.
It
Yeah.
does.
There you go.
You see?
There's Lucky checking out the scene.
Wonder where his eggs went.
Mommy. Oh.
Cool. I like your new shirt. This is pretty. It's all sparkly with the chipettes. Are you gonna look like a chipette in it?
Yeah.
Shaky furry tails.
Look at all that money.
You wear this today for Easter with a skirt.
And what's this?
Yes, bring the boy. The boys are me. Wow.
Boy, are you happy the bunny rabbit came last night?
Good thing you went to bed when you should have.
Mommy, I'm not going to back
Riley, it's a watch.
the wall.
Oh, now you can tell time.
Let's just ate through his bucket.
Mm-hmm. It's good you didn't do more. You did one bean
Like
in each.
two, like maybe
And we
two.
had the gold. Oh, why is that?
Nick, did you see that? This will probably break, like I said, short end of the stick.
Mommy, my keyboard.
Wow.
The board.
Hey, Lucky's checking out your candy.
Keyboard. The pin.
Nick, you ate all your candy out of your eggs. Now what? There's nothing left.
Nick, do you want a banana now?
The hair in your mouth.
Oh, nearly D. Hey,
Oh, you dropped your jelly beans.
No, that was the mother load.
Oh, that was his baskets.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yes, honey. Say that again?
Look at Nick.
What'd she say?
Eat the jelly beans. Say what you want, jelly beans.
No,
You're not going to eat yours? Oh, she
Are you going to
the
save them
jelly
for
beans.
later? You should have one jelly bean a day.
No.
And then, by the time you finish your jelly beans, it's going to be another holiday. You could. Hey, Nick, look at. What is that? What's that?
My piggy boy.
We're not.